Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy beef enchiladas easy guide. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees and browning 1 pound of ground beef in a skillet, seasoning it with salt, pepper, and a pinch of cumin. Stir in a small chopped onion and 1 clove of minced garlic until softened. Remove from heat, fold in half a cup of enchilada sauce, and set the filling aside. Now let's assemble the enchiladas in a calm and friendly way so it feels easy and fun. Lay a tortilla flat, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the beef mixture down the center, and roll it snugly. Place each roll into the prepared baking dish, seam side down. When the dish is full, ladle sauce evenly over every roll and finish with a generous shower of shredded cheese. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making simple, tasty recipes for you. Quick recommendation: I love these socks. Socks life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, and they make standing while cooking a lot comfier. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Bake the enchiladas uncovered until the cheese is bubbly and slightly golden, which usually takes around 20 minutes at 375 degrees. When you remove them, let the pan rest for about 5 minutes so the filling firms up and slices hold together neatly. This pause adds a final touch of flavor and makes serving simple. Plate them with fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime, or your favorite toppings, and enjoy the warm, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.